name is Mercy Munene. I am the founder and CEO of Shamba Connect, where we install attractive gardens in homes and institutions. We also keep rabbits and goats. When I was a little girl, I struggled with vegetables. Every time I would eat vegetables, I would have issues with acidity. My tummy would just trouble me. Over time, I did my research and realized that the vegetables I was having was a problem. We were having a lot of pesticides and chemicals in the vegetables. And when I got a little garden for myself, when I was able to take my own vegetables, it was a game changer for me. And I realized it's not just me. There are quite a number of people who struggle with the same issue. Also, as a mother, I realized that it's not just filling their tummies. I have to think beyond their tummies. That means that I have to be thoughtful of the kind of things I'm going to put on the plate. And that for me started the business. At Shamba Connect, we go beyond by not only giving you the farm inputs and planting for you. We train clients, we support them, CSR activities. We had a project with Makongeni Health Center. We went to the place and we realized that one of the challenges that they were having was nutrition and health because of the pregnant women.
Being able to access the green leafy vegetables is a challenge to some of the mothers. So they miss out on the other varieties of food that they are supposed to equally incorporate in their diet so that we can be able to achieve the normal HB level required.
What we did is we came up with a solution where we installed for them kitchen gardens so they would come to the clinic and get vegetables on their way home. And this was very fulfilling because you see the difference.
So far, with the mothers that we have been able to enroll in the program, I can say we have seen positive impact in their lives because most of the mothers, as soon as we enroll them and we start handing them over the green leafy vegetables, if a mother had a HB level of 8, the next time they come, at least we are at 11. Now that's normal.
When I advertise my services, I'm able to get referrals and also clients pay through the till, and I'm able to transfer, check my statements, do any reversals, everything. I'm able to do it online. I'm able to research to improve on my business and also offer better services. In the next 5 years, I see Shamba Connect as a preferred center for access to organic vegetables and the place where you'll think about when you talk about small space gardening. To summarize, I would say it's been very satisfying. When I have clients who come to me and tell me what a difference it has made for them health-wise and even for their families, it gives me immense joy.